Good morning, children. Welcome to the social science class. In the previous class, we studied about the first chapter, Vijayanagara Empire. In Vijayanagara Empire, what are the things we learnt, children? In Vijayanagara Empire, it was established in the year of 1336 in the southern bank of the Tungabhadra river by the Sangama children Harihara and Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa and Muddapara. So their capital city was Ballari and the emblem of Vijayanagara kingdom was Varaha. And very importantly in this lesson, the Vijayanagara kingdom has four main dynasties like Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. Children, in this what you have noticed means the Sangama dynasty have been ruled for a long period of the time. See their duration from 1336 to 1485. That means nearly 150 years. Sangama ruled for nearly 150 years. Saluva dynasty from 1485 to 1505. It means for 20 years they ruled. Next about Tuluva dynasty, their ruling period is from 1505 to 1567. It means nearly 60 years, almost 60 years. Aravidu dynasty 1570 to 1646 means 70 years they ruled. At first, the Sangama dynasty they had ruled for nearly 150 years almost. In the Sangama dynasty, Harihara and Bukkaraya were the important rulers. It means for Harihara Bukkaraya we call as a Hakka and Bukka also. That Bukkaraya came to the power after the Harihara because Harihara did not have children, right? Next, Bukkaraya's son Kampana, he came to the power and he expanded his empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai, and this one is explained in the Madura Vijayam, which is written by Ganga Devi, the queen of Kampana. Kampanana queen Ganga Devi ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಮಧುರ ವಿಜಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅವನ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೀಟೇಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹರಿಹರನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾವು ಹಕ್ಕ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ಲಿ ಹಕ್ಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಕ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಹರಿಹರ ಮತ್ತು ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Next, in that we studied about the Devaraya II or Praudadevaraya also. This Praudadevaraya had treated all the religion equally in his kingdom. So many examples we can see about it. He allowed to build the mosque and also temples, church and all. His main important commander Lakkanna Dandesha was also in his court only. Next, what are the interesting fact we studied about the Praudadevaraya or the Devaraya II? He had a title like Gajabentekara. Page number 4. Gajabentekara, Chatusamudradishwara, Ariraya Vibhada. So these are the title given to the Devaraya II or Praudadevaraya. Understanding, dears? Why the Praudadevaraya had gained these type of titles means he was a so strong ruler. Because of that only he had gained many titles. Like this, children, the Sangama dynasty had ruled for nearly 150 years, almost 150 years in the southern part of the country. After Sangama dynasty, who came to the power? Saluva dynasty. The important Saluva commander in the name of Narasimha, he captured the capital city from the Sangama dynasty. After that, they came to the existence. For them, we call what the Saluva dynasty. So this Saluva dynasty had ruled nearly 20 years. That means the ruling time of the Saluva dynasty is very less among the Vijayanagara kingdom. So like this, the Saluva king Narasimha came to the power. Like this, the Sangama ruler came to an end. Next, the Saluva king Narasimha Nayaka ruled about 6 years. It means from 1485 to 1491. After that, he died. Then his children, they were so small or they were so minor. Because of that, the Saluva whole dynasty or the kingdom came under the protection of the Tuluva Narasanayaka. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸಂಗಮ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನರಸಿಂಹ ನಾಯಕ. ಅವನು ಸಾಳುವ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸಾಳುವ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿ ನರಸಿಂಹ ನಾಯಕ 6 year ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನರಸನಾಯಕ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ತುಳುವ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿದು ಕಮಾಂಡರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. After the end of Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty came to the power. Its ruling period is from 1505 to 1567 CE. This Tuluva dynasty is ruled by the Narasimha, the son of Narasanayaka. So underline all the names of the kings. Next, after Narasimha, he died in 1509. After Narasimha's death, who came to the power? His brother Krishnadevaraya came to the power. So children, Tuluva dynasty nalli Narasimha he came to the power. He is the son of Narasanayaka. I said after the death of Veera Narasimha, who came to the power? His brother only Krishnadevaraya came to the power. This Krishnadevaraya is known to be the greatest king among the other Vijayanagara kings. When he came to the throne, he had to face many revolts. Revolts ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದಂಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ he captured or he seized the ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರ fort from the ಉಮ್ಮತ್ತೂರ್ chief. Who is ಉಮ್ಮತ್ತೂರ್ chief? ಗಂಗರಾಜ. ಇವನಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯಾವಾಗ? In 1510 CE. Here you see the pictures of Shivanasamudra and Raichur forts. So these two forts are captured by the Krishnadevaraya in the year of 1510 CE. Next he attacked on the Kalinga king Gajapati Prataparudra and captured his capital city Katak. And by defeating the Gajapati, he married his daughter Jagan Mohini. Underline. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪ್ರತಾಪರುದ್ರನ ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಲಿಸಿ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಬೀದರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯವನ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾಚಾರ್ಯ. ವೈ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಯವನ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾಚಾರ್ಯ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಷನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಬಹಮನಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಬಹಮನಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವನನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ರಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಪ್ರಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಅವರನ್ನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೀದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಯಮನರಾಜ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾಚಾರಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ. The whole south of India is captured and extended by the Vijayanagara kingdom. In the whole south means is in the four directions also. South, east, north, west, in the four directions also Vijayanagara kingdom has expanded their kingdom. So children, this much is about the administration of Krishnadevaraya. After that, Krishnadevaraya has died in the 1529 CE. One more thing about Krishnadevaraya. To the court of Krishnadevaraya, once the Domingo Fayaz, he is a visitor, he visited to the kingdom of Vijayanagara kingdom. Next, he stated or he said about Krishnadevaraya that he was a soft person with a strong body. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯರ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಡೊಮಿಂಗೋ ಫಯಾಜ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬರು ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಸ್ವಭಾವದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಟ್ಟಿಮುಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅಥವಾ ದೃಢಕಾಯರಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So these are about the Krishnadevaraya, his administration, his achievements, his appearance, everything is discussed in this video. Okay. Next, after the death of Krishnadevaraya, who came to the power? Sadashivaraya and Achyutaraya came to the power. But Sadashivaraya was a so small boy, so that the Ramaraya, who was Ramaraya? The son-in-law of Krishnadevaraya. ಸನ್-ಇನ್-ಲಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಳಿಯ. ಸದಾಶಿವರಾಯ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಾಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯನ ಅಳಿಯ ರಾಮರಾಯರು ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅರವೀಡು ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅರವೀಡು ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಅಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದಿ ಅರವೀಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ರಿಚ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಚ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಶತ್ರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದರು ಅಥವಾ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದರು ಅಂತ. In that enemies children, the Deccan Sultanates were important. The Deccan Sultanates, they were attracted by the kingdom of Vijayapura because it was so rich. Because of this, the Deccan Sultanates decided to declare a war against the Vijayapura, and in this war, the Deccan Sultanates defeated the Ramaraya or the Vijayanagara kingdom. This battle we call what? Rakkasa Tangadi battle. It's very important. Rakkasa Tangadi battle. This Rakkasa Tangadi has begun on 23rd January of 1565. Between whom? The Sultanates army and the Vijayanagara kingdom. This battle was took place in the near the bank of Krishna river. Krishna riverದು ನದಿಯ ದಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Here the Ramaraya died in the war. That means in the battlefield only the Ramaraya has been died. So that was the last. After that his children Tirumala and Venkata. They escaped from the war field and ran away to the Penakonda. ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತೀರು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ತಿರುಮಲ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಂಕಟ ಯಾರಿವರು ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮರಾಯ ದೇ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೆನಕೊಂಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಅರವಿಡು ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1570 to 1646 CE by making the ಪೆನಕೊಂಡ ಚಂದ್ರಗಿರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಆಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ರಾಮರಾಯನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಿರುಮಲ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಂಕಟ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೆನಕೊಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡೋಗಿ ವೆಲ್ಲೂರು, ಚಂದ್ರಗಿರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆನಕೊಂಡ ಈ ಜಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ದ ಅರವೀಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್. ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ವಿತ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. Until then, take care. Bye.